Hey there everyone, welcome back. So here I am with the amazing programming stuff. Today's video is all about DMA. To understand this, just begin with a new intro. First, understand what the DMA stands for. It stands for Dynamic Memory Allocation, or by definition, the process of allocating memory during program execution is called DMA or Dynamic Memory Allocation. SC provide four dynamic memory allocation functions. They are CALLOC, MALLOC, free and REALLOC. So first start with MALLOC function, which is defined in STRLIB.H header file. Let's first go through the theory of MALLOC and then come to the program. MALLOC is used to allocate space in memory during execution of program. MALLOC does not initialize the memory allocated with 0. It carries garbage value. MALLOC return null if it could not able to allocate required memory. Syntax of MALLOC. MALLOC parentheses number multiplied by sign of data type. So now it's time to build example of the MALLOC using function program. For that, make a new project and include the required header file, which is stdio, which stands for standard input output, and STRLIB, which stands for standard library. Here, two header files is required. The third one is added by mistake. Sorry for that. Start with main function and declare the pointer name p and variable s and I. Then take input by user using printf and scanf function. Now write the syntax of MALLOC and input data in it. After that, make condition which happen in MALLOC function. In theory, we see that there are two possible changes. First, it do not have sufficient memory. In this case, it will return null character whose ASCII code is 0. Another is it get the sufficient space and proceed the execution. The second condition is executed, then take the data from the user by same method of input and output using printf and scanf. After that, free the memory using the free function, which we gonna see at 5 minutes 54 seconds of this video. Let's compile and run the program to see the output. So the sufficient memory is located. Now it asking for the required input. Let's take 3 for example. It do not have to. It's done, but to see the output we have to add code for showing the output using for loop. Now By running again, now it's showing the input value. To see ads clearly, add /n after pressing D. Let's check out once again. Moving on, and second function is CALLOC. First look at the theory of it. CALLOC is same with slightly difference with initializing data by 0, which make it more time consuming. Checking the syntax of CALLOC having a little bit change in it. Let's go through the same program and change MALLOC to CALLOC to check the output and run the program. As we expected, the output is there. As I promised, let's see read function, which only frees the allocated memory, which is used by the MALLOC, CALLOC and REALLOC. REALLOC, a new word. Let's check details of it. REALLOC modify the memory allocated in new size. If the required memory do not have existent there, make a new block of it in the memory. Let's go through of example for it. Declare the pointer name str to deal with string. For modifying use MALLOC function using the function strcpy. For that we have to include STRING.H header file. After doing that, just print in the string and address the variable. Now we are using REALLOC function to modify it using string function strc18. Free the memory and free the memory after doing that. Just run the program and after removing all the errors. As expected, the output of the first string is love and with this address. And after execution of REALLOC, the new string is love programming. To check the logic behind the string handling function, just click on I button. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, make sure to hit a like button, and if you do dislike, just dislike it. Seriously, I don't care.